Have a nice welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform the maintenance of your pool if you don't have any installation of a pump, filter, or any other equipment. On this video, you will see step by step how to perform the maintenance of your pool so that you can have it completely crystal clear like the one you can see here, because this one doesn't have a pump or filter. So by just adjusting the chemicals the way I'm gonna show you along the video and having an external pump, you will be able to have your pool in perfect conditions. Let's begin! Alright, you will be very happy because if you don't have a pump and filter installed in your pool, there won't be actually too much of a difference with, let's call it that way, normal maintenance. And it is completely possible to perform a good maintenance of the pool. Instead of having to memorize all the treatment of the pool, there is one wonderful app that shows you everything you need to do step by step so that the water can be completely crystal clear and ready for swimming all the time. You just need to get into this app, manage your pool, to the section Actions, and to the option Daily or Weekly Maintenance. Here you can see step by step everything there is to do so that the pool can be in perfect conditions. The first thing you need to do so that the water can be very well disinfected is to measure chlorine and pH levels. It doesn't matter if you have a pump or not, a filter or not, anyways, you have to control the levels of chlorine and pH, because your pool will be crystal clear whenever you have your chlorine controlled between 1 to 3 parts per million and your pH between 7.2 and 7.6. I'm gonna make this fast and easy for you because there is a whole of a video explaining about chlorine and another whole of a video explaining about pH. The names are all about chlorine and the other one is all about pH. You just have to take the sample, add the liquid to the chlorine. I like to use just 1 drop, little secret, and 4 or 5 drops of pH. Mine is 4. Then mix it slowly, and as you can see, your chlorine levels must be between these 1 and 3 parts per million being yellow, and your pH between 7.2 and 7.6. This one is in 7.2, so it's at the limit. This way, your water will be disinfected. You can use any type of chlorine as long as you have between 30 to 50 parts per million of cyanuric acid. That way the sun won't burn your chlorine and it will stay longer in the pool. And to adjust your pH, you must use pH reducer or pH increaser. To do this, for example, this time I'm using trichlor tabs because I need to raise cyanuric acid levels in the pool. You can know everything about this cyanuric acid and why it is so useful on the video Everything About Cyanuric Acid that I will share with you on the description. So this time I'm refilling the trichlor tabs in my floater so that the level can raise a little bit more. Until here you already have the pool well disinfected. So now I will show you the actions you need to perform so that the water can be clean and not only well disinfected. So next step is to vacuum the bottom of the pool. This time it's going to be different because your pump has not an installation. So I'm going to show you how to perform this vacuum cleaning. First of all, your pump should be in the lowest possible level compared to the level of the pool water. This so that it does not complicate when you have to prime the pump. So first, prime the pump. Since this one is not in a lower level, I'm gonna have to use a trick in the hose of the vacuum cleaning that I will show you in a few moments. You just need to assemble your vacuum cleaner, to introduce it to the pool, then insert the hose vertically so that it can fill completely with water and has zero air inside. And then the trick is to have a valve at the end of the hose so that you can close the valve like now and then easily be able to enroll it to the pump and not to let air get inside the hose during this process. You need to know that you have to take another hose to a waste point because the water won't be filtered and it will go away. And whenever you open a little bit this valve, you have to turn on your pump immediately. That way it will work perfectly. Now there is something you need to know, and here is the disadvantage about not having a filter, and it is that whenever it rains too much and the water stays out of chlorine, or whenever you throw a party, for example, and many people swim, water will be cloudy. And if you have cloudy water, you won't be able to filter it so that it can get back to be completely crystal clear. This time you will need to use flock. Be sure to perform a super chlorination for 24 hours every time before using the flock. And if you want to see how to use this flock, just get to the video Cloudy Water in this magnificent channel. When you finish, remove everything, take away the water in the hose, and it is very important for you not to store any of this equipment to the sun, because it will damage the equipment and especially the hose won't last for too long. Obviously, after this you also need your lift net to remove any debris, or you might also need to perform a brush every once in a while so that algae does not get stick to the walls. That's everything you need to do to have your pool in perfect conditions. And that's everything for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, because I upload one new video with the best info about pools for you every week. See you soon!